Hello everyone, you are listening to the Money Builders Show. Inspire, inculcate, innovate. Episode 44. 7 habits that can destroy your relationships. Relationships not only give you happiness, but they give you pain when not handled and taken care of them properly. Your behavior and habits dictate the happiness and sadness you get from your relationships. You should fix these 7 habits that destroy your relationship to have a long-term and happy relationship that brings you happiness and joy in your life. First one is too much expectation. Expectations are very common in any kind of relationships, but these expectations are the cause of pain and suffering too in any relationship. You want others to change for you. You want others to do things for you. You want others to help you in all the situations. You want others to meet your expectations all the time. Expectations arise in your head and most of them are unexpressed to your loved ones. Even though expressed, people don't want to meet your expectations as they have their own individuality. These expectations may destroy your relationship when they become too much. The extent of suffering is also based on the extent of expectations you grow on others. Instead, you need to stop expecting from others and start expecting from yourself to be happy and maintain a strong relationship. You need to give freedom to your loved ones. You need to allow them to be the way they love to be. Second one is too much possessiveness. You own possessiveness over things you own. It's very common. You don't allow anyone to touch them or use them. But the same possessiveness is used even on people you love. You don't want them to talk more to others. You don't want them to be close to others. You don't want them to spend time with others. You only want them to stay with you all the time. You want them to be close to you and spend time with you most of the time. But you need to remember that even the one you love are humans. And they also want to make friends and spend time with them. And even they want to socialize and enjoy life. Possessiveness is good to a limit, but don't allow yourself to be the prisoner of too much possessiveness, which will destroy a relationship. Third one is anger. Every human has anger. It's a common feeling that most people possess, but the way of expressing anger differs with different people. There are situations that you hold on to your anger and express it on someone else. Mostly this happens with many people. They show their irritation and anger on their loved ones, but your anger is giving them great pain that they are holding without expressing. You are the one with whom they share their pain, but if you are the one who is causing the pain, they don't have any other option but to just suffer. Sometimes you get angry over your loved ones for their mistake, but you need to take a pause and reflect. Understand why they did such mistake and then respond and help them instead of reacting by showing your anger. Your anger may destroy your relationship someday, so control and minimize your anger before it is expressed out. Fourth one is distrust. Lack of trust is one more reason why relationships get destroyed. Trust is the base of any relationship. Without trust, no relationship stands strong longer. But there are many people who doubt their loved ones in many instances instead of trusting them. It really hurts to stay with the one who doesn't trust you. Such pain changes your freedom and happiness. You must give your loved ones the freedom to do whatever they want, and you need to trust them all the time. Sometimes your trust may be broken, but never give up. Clear your disputes that lead to mistrust and then take your decision. Fifth one is disloyalty. The foremost thing to build trust is being loyal to your loved ones. You need to share everything. Never lie to them. Never hold on to any secrets. Share your mistakes, share your pain, share your feelings, share everything. Never cheat your loved ones. By being loyal, you will build a strong relationship. By being disloyal, you break relationship someday. Disloyalty breaks trust. And the broken trust breaks the hearts of your loved ones, which can never heal. Sixth one is poor communication. Lack of proper communication is the main reason why many fail in their relationships. Many problems in any relationship are solved easily by communicating properly with each other. Communicate your pain, communicate your reasons for misunderstanding, share how you felt and why you felt bad. If needed, apologize for your mistake. Communicate effectively about everything. That will help you rebuild your relationship into a normal state. Don't hesitate to communicate anything. Be a good listener and don't argue. Listen to your loved ones to understand them instead of listening to judge them. Seventh one is inattention. Too much attention or too less attention is always bad. It can destroy your relationship. Give attention to every minor thing. Give your attention all the time to your loved ones. You are the one they trust so much with their life. They want to share everything with you. They want to know everything about their life. If you don't pay attention they are seeking or that they really need to be given, your relationship will end. Therefore, pay attention to them and make them know that you are there for them all the time, in all the situations. And if you love this episode, please share it with your friends, family and loved ones. And let's share this wisdom together. And if you want upcoming updates from my podcast, subscribe. Until then, see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.